afternoon, boys and girls. Good. How are you doing this afternoon? I'm glad to hear. Now, before we go into today's lesson, let's just go over some of our classrooms. Now, when is it you want to speak? What do you do? Right, you raise your hands. And when someone else is speaking, what do you do? Very good. You listen. You can speak over the person. And where our fingers are supposed to be? On our lips. And then we sit how in the bench? Good. We sit back. Very good. Now, what subject do we have right now? Yes, we have mathematics. Now, before I tell you the topic that we will be doing, I am going to say 2 words, and I want to see who can guess our topic for today. Are you ready? Right. So the 2 words are all together and plus. All together and plus. When you hear those 2 words, what do you think our topic would be? Good. Yes, Jaya. Very good. Give her a clap. So our topic for today is addition. Very good. So let me put that on the board. Our topic for today is good. Let's read our topic. Very good. Addition of whole numbers. Now, what will we be doing today? Now, at the end of this lesson, you would all know what is addition, some words that relate to addition. You would also learn arranging numbers for addition using the place value method, and you would also learn how to add 4-digit numbers and solve word problems as it relates to addition. So by the end of the lesson, we'll learn how to do those things. Now, first things first, let us come up with what addition is. So who can help us out here? When you hear this word addition, what comes to your mind? Anybody, give it a try. Yes, Samson. All right, very good. Anybody want to add to what he said? He said combining numbers. Anybody else want to add to it? Yes, it is. Very good. Give both of them a clap. So it is combining numbers, and when we combine numbers, it can be 2 numbers, it can be 3 numbers. When we combine these numbers, we get a new total. Very good. Now, what are some terms relating to addition? Or what are some other words that we can use relating to addition? Yes, Alia. Plus. Very good. Desire. All together. What about Dexter? Give it a try, Dexter. When you hear that word addition, what are some other words we can use to say that we're doing addition? Add. Very good. Add the numbers, or you see how much are there all together, or you plus the numbers. What are some other terms you can use for addition? What are some other terms that you can use for addition? Think about it. Some other terms that you can use for addition. What about, yes, Faria. Very good. In all. You ever see when we write word problems, or you read and you hear how much in all? Right. It means the same as addition. Very good. number, class? Very good. 1,239. And we want to add, let's say we want to add 3,409 and 3,413 to this number. Now we have to know, can we put it anyhow and start adding? Can I put it like this and start adding? Would this be correct? No, right. This would not be correct doing it like this. So then, how would we put it down? Y'all remember this when we did place value, we used this? Right. So how is it would we put down it? So we will first put down the first number. What is the first number? 1,239 plus this. Would we start putting down the numbers here, or would we start from under the 1? Very good. You will start putting down under the 1 because, let's write it. Putting the 3 here, then where do we put the 4? Right, under the 2. Right. Good. Very good. Good. So would we start adding from the ones? Would we start from here? The ones would be here, or would we start from the thousands? Right. We start from the ones. Good. And if we look here, we line it up here. The last digit is always what? Right, the ones. We start from the ones. So the 3 would be, the place value for 3 would be ones as well as the 9. Beautiful. What would be the place value for this 3 and this 1? Let me hear you, Jeremy. Tens. Very good. Give Jeremy a clap. What would be the place value for the 2 and the 4 here? The hundreds. And the 1 and the 3 will be thousands. Beautiful. Now, when we're adding, there are steps to follow. Now, the first step in addition, which side do you think we start adding from? Do you think we start adding here, or do you think we start adding here? Right. You always start adding from the ones column. Good. So, let us start. This is how much? So, we're dealing with this part here now, right? So, you always start from the ones. So, we're dealing with the ones. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Isn't that so? Good. So if we're starting from the ones, this is how much? 9, and this is 3. So let's put down our strokes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 1, 2, 3. So what do you think we do there now? Right, we count it all together. Remember this one? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now do you think I put the entire 12 here? Can I do that? No. Remember, as long as this is more than 9, what do? We put it out here, or 12, cross off the 2. We put the 2 here, we take that 1. Very good. We put it in the tens column. So now we have 3, 1, and don't forget this 1 here. So let's count, let's put it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, and 1. That will give us a total of 5. Very good. Do we have to put it out there? No. Why? Tell us, Stephanie, why won't we put the 5 out here? Very good, because it is less than 9. So we put our 5 here. Then we have 2 and 4. Let me see everybody put up 4 fingers on one hand. Good, and then put up 2 on the other hand. let me hear how much you get. 6. Very good. So we put our 6 here. Remember, everything is going in line. We have how much here? 3 and 1. Put up your 3 fingers on one hand and 1 on the other. Count it together and we get 4. Beautiful. And it's as simple as that. So we can say that, let's say this number, 1,239 plus 3,413 is equal to 4,652. Very good. Give yourselves a clap. So this is what we're going to do now. I'm going to put one on the board and I'm going to get 4 different persons to come out here and work it with us. Faria, give me a number. A 4-digit number. 7,096. 7,096. Alright. Plus, give me a number, Josiah. 1,312. Good. Now I am going to call Lashana to come and set it down for us. Remember, the last digit will always be in the ones column. We always start from the ones column, then tens, hundreds, thousands. Very good. Lashana, come and set it down for us. Is this correct? Yes, very good. Give her a clap. So you see, the 6 and the 2 would fall in there. Ones. 9 and 1 would be tens. 0 and 3. Very good. Give yourselves a pat on the shoulder for that. And give Lashana a clap. Very good. So we have it set down here. So, this is what's going to happen. Layla, Varun, Alia, and Nairon, you're going to each come in that order and you're going to work out what is going to happen here. So first we will have Layla come and work the ones column first. Is this correct? Let's count it back. Let's see if she has it correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Give Layla a clap. Come Varun, we're going to work the tens column for us. Good. Let's see what Varun have here. Let's count his rows. 1, he puts the 9 and then I'm guessing the 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 1 give him 10. Did he put the entire 10 in the answer? No. What did he do? Very good. He put it out. Cross off the 0 because it exceeded more than how much? 9. Very good. He placed the 0 here and then you see he put the 1 up here. Very good. Give Varun a clap. Come Alia, you're working the hundreds column for us. Good. So let's see what Alia has. She got 3. Let's see how. She put 3 here. But is this correct, class? Look at it carefully. Is this correct? Where did she go wrong here? Let me see who can pick up on it. Where did she go wrong? Yes, Devani. Very good. Give her a clap. Alia, look here. You put the 3 very well, which is commendable. Very nice. But then, remember the 1 from over this side was placed here. So you must remember to add it in. If this wasn't here, well then 3 and 0 would give you 3. Good. But then remember, we brought over the 1, so you have to remember to put in. So if we put in the extra 1 now for Alia, it becomes, how much it becomes? 4. Beautiful. So Alia, you have to remember that when 1 comes over, you got to remember to add it. But very good for the 3. Very good for your efforts. Good. Let's move to Nairon now. Nairon is going to come work thousands for us. Good. Let's see if this is correct. Nairon, this is some little strokes. So we got to look carefully, right? 1, 7 plus 1 gives you 8. Very good. Give Nairn a clap. So then we can safely say that, right, 7,096 plus 1,312 equals 8,408. Very good. Give them a clap. Very good. So is there anybody here that does not understand how is it we get this? Anybody don't understand what was done? If you don't understand, put up your hands. So everybody understand. So we always start adding from which column? The shiny. The ones column. Very good. When it exceeds, when we add the 2 or so and it exceeds 9, what do? Do we put the entire answer in here? No, what do? Right, we put it outside, cross off the ones column number, we put it here, and we bring over into the other column. Very good. Now, and then we add, we regroup. Remember, when you are bringing over a value over here, right? Take for example this. Look at this. I'm going to use a smaller number so you can see. 9 and 3 would give us how much? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. So we already have 9. After 9 we get 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 here. Cross off our 2, we put it there, we take the 1 and we put it there. Can I say that I have 4? Can I say this becomes 14? And then I add 14 plus 1 gives me 15 here? Can I say that? No. It's 4 plus 1 gives you 5. 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So always remember that, right? Very good. So are there any questions from anybody? No? Alright, good. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to share out some worksheets. So some persons are going to get different ones from others. And I'm going to give some of you counters to use to work out the addition. And some of you, I am challenging you to not use any counters to do it mentally and see what you can come up with, right? So I'm going to share the worksheet. So I'm going to share all the worksheets now, and I'm going to share the counters after, right? And then you're going to go. Good. So we have the bottle corks here. Some of you are going to use the bottle corks. This group, I'm going to leave the bottle corks with you. And back group, just collect the matchsticks from on the top there. Good. So you guys are going to use your counters and you're going to work what's on the worksheet. This group, I'm challenging you to not use any counters. I'm doing mentally. Let me see what you can come up. I'm going to come around and assist you. For those of you who need assistance. If you're going through it and you see that, you know what, I'm stuck, just raise your hands. I'm going to come around and assist you. Good. So Deshani, you have here 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 will give you how much? Good. 30. So what is it that you place? I told you specifically. Can you place the entire 30 in here? No. So what you have to do with the 30? Very good. You place it outside. Then what you do next? Good. You cross off. You put the 3 there, and then you put the 1. Very good. So continue working like come here. Good. So we all got through with our worksheet. Beautiful. And we paste them in our books. Wonderful. Good. So now, do you know that we can use those same numbers and we can create problems, word problems, real problems that, you know, we can solve through. Right. So, you're going to come up with a problem. I'm going to put it on the board. I'm going to work it. And then each of you individually will come up with your own word problem and work it. So you will have how many word problems in your book? 2. Very good. So how can we start this problem? Give me your ideas. Yes, Dino. Very good. 915 mangoes are in the basket. It's a very big basket, Dino. These are like, you know, those crates that the persons that pick mangoes to sell would take. Yeah, this is what Dino's talking about. Good. So somebody can add to this now. So we have 4,950 mangoes in the basket. You add to it now. What else do we have? Yes, Kimberly. Very good. We have 9,000, I'm sorry, my apologies. We have 9,063 apples in another basket. Now we add another number. Do you want to work this too? Let's work this too. Yes, in another basket. What do we put here? Beautiful. A full stop. How many? Yes. How many? What would we call these two things together? Fruits are there. Which one of the addition words can we use? All together. Very good. Can you work this? The 5 would align with which number in the same column? Which number from this one? The 3. Very good. And the 5 and the 1, they are in which column? Here, would they fall in which column? The 1's column. Beautiful. So set this down, work it. The first person to finish, stand. I'm challenging you to see the first person to finish this and get it correct. Stand and you get a sticker. Now when you finish with number 1 and you stand and you work through that, what you have to do for number 2? Very good. You come up with your own problem for number 2 and you work it. I'm coming around. Good. So I want you to give yourselves a clap. I am so proud of you. Almost all of you got this one correct and you are able to formulate really good problems and work through it. So give yourselves a clap for that. Right, so let's go through what we did today. We said that addition is what again? Addition is, very good, combining numbers together to get a new total. Very good. And which one of those words in that sentence can be a word related to addition? Very good. Total. And we also said some other words are, yes, Stephanie, all together. Leila, total, we had that one. Try another one. Plus, Varun, add, good. Very good. So remember. And we also said, let's use this. When we are adding numbers, we always start from this side, right? You sure? No, we start from the 1's column. Good. And if that number exceeds, when we add it to, and it exceeds more than 9, what do we do? Very good. Good. Very good. And we must always align our numbers under each other, or else we'll have big problems when we come to add them. Very good. So I'm going to put your homework over this side. You copy your homework. I'm going to put the numbers side by side and I'm challenging you to set them down correctly using the place value method, how they're supposed to. Good. So you have 3 here to complete. You copy this and then you put your books on the table for me to mark.